Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, my name is Bashir. I'm here to continue with our lesson. In our previous lesson, we learned about letter I, and I would like to see whether we can remember some of the things that we learned in that previous lesson. Letter I think today's lesson is going to focus on letter J. Letter J. Letter J. This is letter J, uppercase letter J. We also have this one, which is the lowercase letter J. Lowercase letter J. Letter J, lowercase. Letter J. Everybody, J, uppercase J. This is J. This is lowercase J, uppercase J, lowercase J. Now, to help us to pronounce some of the pictures that will be shown here, it is very important for us to focus on the letter sound. It is very important for us to focus on the letter sound. The letter sound here is uppercase J, lowercase j. But in trying to help us to pronounce these photos that will be displayed here, it is very important for us to follow the sound. This is J, uppercase. This is lowercase j. But we are using this lowercase j to help us with our sound. So this becomes J, 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 J. I have some photo here, and I would like you to see what comes with letter J and using J, J. So this is jacket, jacket, jacket. J, 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 J. Jacket, jacket, J, J. Jacket, jacket, J, J. Jacket. We also have another photo. This is jam, jam, jam. And you can see this is strawberry, and then it has been prepared in this called jam, jam, jam. J, 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 jam, J, J, jam, J, J. Again, J, jacket, jacket, J, 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 jam, jam, jam. We also have this one. This juice, 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 juice. I think we all know what is juice. This one can be prepared with either mango, orange. So this is juice, juice. Juice, j, juice, j, juice, j, j, again, j, juice, j, juice, j, jam, j, jam, j, jacket, j, jacket. Okay, let's see whether you can call this sound. Okay, j, good. Jacket, again, jacket, j, again, j, jam, jam, good, j, j, juice, again, juice, good. Now we have jacket, have jam, we have juice, juice. Okay, let's go over again. This is letter J, uppercase letter J. This is lowercase letter J, letter J. To pronounce this, this will sound to help us to know this one. So this one is J, 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 J. So we are using this one to identify these photos. J, jacket. Again, J, jacket. J, jam. J, jam. J, juice, J, juice, J, juice, J, jam, Jackets. Jacket. We have letter J. So we are going to learn how to trace this letter, 2 letters. This, we are going to practice it. So before we do that, we'll come to this one. Let's go over again. Letter J, uppercase letter J, lowercase letter J. To help us to get the sound, here becomes J. J. Jacket. J. Jam. J. Juice. So everybody should take your homework book, and this one is going to be given to you as homework. So before you do that, this is how you have to trace it. We are going to trace it. So you start from one point here. Just hold your hand steady like this, then you come to the end. You come to this side, you just point your pencil, then you go like this, follow it, follow it, follow it, follow it, follow it, follow it. You just go by the dotted lines like this, then you get it done. The lowercase j, you do the same thing like this. You go down, 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 down. You curve like this to this side. So this is going to be your homework. This is your homework, and this is how the lesson looks like. So simple. Follow it step by step. J, uppercase J, lowercase j. J. Jacket, J. Jam, J. Juice. I think this is where time will permit us. Until we meet again in the next lesson, remember to do your homework when you are coming back for the next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Cambodia Intellectuals Academy, Facebook, and other social media platform links with Cambodia Intellectual Academy. We have more videos to be uploaded to you, and I wish you good luck, good health. Thank you.